Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will tell you about the best websites to learn a particular premium skill and then I will teach you about three best websites or five best website to learn the skill. So guys, as you know, as our video format, that first of all we will go to fiverr.com and then we will check that competition and demand of the skill, and then we will go towards our websites. So in today's video I will teach you about the three best websites to learn C sharp language. C sharp language is mostly used in game development and other things, so it is a very popular language. So let's get started. First of all, I will go to Fiverr.com. If you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms from in which you can sell your services online and people can buy it. So here I write C sharp. As you can see, 5,152 services available. You can also write C sharp or C hashtag. It's mean the same. So I will create your C plus plus, C sharp. No, yes. I open this one and C sharp this. So let's analyze these gigs and then move towards our websites. So first, I will create a desktop application with C sharp, WPF, WinForms, and UWP. Victor Tomolojo from Nigeria. In basic package, he charged $20. Simple app I will develop a basic desktop application or help you fix bugs errors. Okay. Delivery 2 days, revision 1. In standard, he charged $100, medium app, medium sized app, local database integration. Okay. And in premium, he charged $300, full feature, enterprise, larger app, database integration, cloud local, more complex with modern look and features. Good. And after that, you can also check out his profile and check out his gig and take an idea from his gig and make your own in your own words. So that's it. Let's move towards our next gig, which is Esan Y from Spain. And uh, I will clean, refactor, and optimize your C Sharp and .NET codes. Okay. He charged $150 in basic package, up to 100 lines of code revision. He charged $300 up to 300 lines of code revision. In premium, he charged $500 and up to 500 lines of code revision. That's great. And he is pro verified and desktop applications, his skills, software development, pro freelancer. And about the gig, you can also check out his gig description and analyze it and make your own, take an idea and make your own gig. So that's it for this gig. Let's analyze our last gig. I will create or complete C sharp programming projects. Akib Chatha, he is from Pakistan, and 40 hours completed. Orders completed. After that, he in basic he charged $60 and a simple project or basic programmable concepts. Okay, in standard he charged $100 project with data manipulation and complex programming flow. Okay, in premium he charged $180 custom project with complete solution of clients problems. Okay, so that's great. After that, okay, now you can analyze his gig and make your own gig according to it, but first learn skill. So that's it for the Fiverr part. Let's move towards our website. The first website from which where you can learn the C sharp is leadcode.com, and you can explore. Click on explore, question, community context, companies and candidate, developer, and other things. So you have to create account, premium account. I think it's paid, but this is worth website to learn. So leadcode.com. The second website is csharpcorner.com, and this is a free website from where you can learn the .NET or C Sharp uh, tutorials, and this is a great tutorials, great websites from where you can learn. So let's move towards our next website. This is the last but my favorite website, and my recommendation is this website. This is called tutorialspoint.com, C sharp tutorial. And As you can see, he divided the concepts of C sharp in like sections. And once you start from here and once you complete, you become a advanced level programmer. These tutorials are written in easy English, so if you are not good at English, you can easily understand them. So this is the third and last and recommended website by me. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn the skills and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.